That's not a bad thing to have, Sam.
No, it's not. I ain't complaining.
I'm just saying.
Bragging.
Bragging. What is up, TJ Truckers?
What's up?
Today, we're in Harf's shop. We busted out the old trusty. What's her name? Doesn't have a name
she
yet?
doesn't really have a name yet.
She needs a name. She does.
I mean, Green Machine, but that's lame, so.
Well, Green Machine. Green Machine, that's probably going to stick, actually. We got Sam in here. Sam, what are we doing?
So, we are doing some upgrades to the Blazer. We busted the rear end.
I want to
The
interrupt.
Lincoln lock.
I want to interrupt right there because he's saying upgrades. Because if you guys remember in the last video, we were like cobbling her together for one more ride. She made that ride.
We got
But
one
the
more
next
That
ride,
was
she
it.
let go.
Yeah, no,
So,
I'm super glad that Harv just said that because, yeah, we did the Lincoln Locker in this at Rai Shop, and what, it went one ride, two rides?
We did 2 good rides, and then halfway through the 3rd ride, she finally let go.
She busted
So
free.
We just grenaded what was left of the rear end.
All right, Sam.
So,
What I want you to do is real fast walk around and talk about what you did to this thing.
okay, so if you look under the rear end here, the biggest thing we did is we swapped a 14 bolt out of a newer GM truck. It's got the same gear ratio. We did install a mini spool in that, so we're fully locked in the rear. We just got to finish it up here, welding the spring perches in place and some shock mounts. We did not really an upgrade to the front, but we just swapped it to a 8-lug conversion to match, all of our wheels and everything matching up. That's about it on the front. Just all new hubs, bearings, everything. We're just getting her ready to go hit the trail again.
Heck yeah. So sweet. So, real fast, we're going to make sure she's sitting where we want it, pull some measurements, and then we're going to bust this bad boy out, the Green Machine, and we're going to weld her up tight so that we can take Sam out because Sam has not been out since it took a crap, and that's been how long?
A few months now.
Yeah.
It's
been a couple months.
Too long.
Too long. Couple months.
Here, let's go wheeling, boys.
Yeah, we're going to weld this thing up, get it ready to roll. He'll be wheeling this weekend for sure.
Sorry, I'm kicking you.
Nope, you're good, bro. Cameraman's always in the way.
I think we're good there.
Grab your air right there. All you need is a gun.
Yep.
I can grab that.
Thanks, sir.
Yep. Yeah, if we didn't have this huge fat car in here.
Yeah, the free car is kind of clogged. I don't know who I let park this thing, but he wasn't all that. Go ahead. Tell him who done it. Really just confessed his fears. And here he goes.
You don't want to completely burn it. Just semi-burn it.
I feel you about your settings.
Oh, I love it.
You gotta get down.
Get down, get down.
There you go.
Goddamn, I'm too full of brisket.
That's not a bad thing to have, Sam.
No, it's not. I ain't complaining.
I'm just saying.
Bragging.
Bragging. Alright, so here's what we did. And I'm putting this on camera just so everybody knows. I did passenger side, Sam welded driver side.
Yes, sir.
Let's check them out. Light. Alright. I hope this turns out good on camera. But this is passenger side. So this is what TJ did. Let's go see what Samuel did. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. We're liking that. She'll hold up for the rest of the time. Alright, we'll get these shock mounts trued up, and then we'll weld them on.
Well, Sam just took the hood off, which means it's built.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna wander over here and grab the light. Show you a little bit more of what we got done. Where'd the light go? It ran off.
Oh, I've got the light.
Anyhow, the last step was to weld the shock mounts on. Mr. Sam just got that done. That one's flaming hot, so I'm not gonna touch it, but
Hey, that's all.
that's some dang good looking welds. They're not even wire brushed off or nothing.
Yeah.
All covered in crap, and they still look beautiful.
It'll hold. It'll hold.
I'd say we got her. Oh, ugh. Who put this car here?
He's currently working on the first shock over there. They're a tight fit. Get these bad boys on.
It's about a hammer.
You want a banger?
A hammer and a bar.
There you go.
Starting?
She started.
Started that time, yeah, I like that.
Yep.
It's got to go down a ways, and it's definitely not wanting to go down
You
very
know
much.
what? Let's save our nuts and let's freaking shave that sleek
it
hull a
a
little
little.
bit more. That's pretty much it for this video. I do want to fully endorse this little bugger right here. Every time we bust that thing out and we glue something together, that is one hell of a welder. For the money that you spend, they are hard to beat. So, we've already showed you 16 times, and we may or may not use this footage, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But everything is back together, bolted on. We got the shocks mounted, the U-bolts are torqued, the wheels are on, lug nuts are torqued. She's ready to wheel.
Yeah, buddy, let's do it.
Yep. And if the weld breaks, I didn't do it.
He's been saying that since he started, and he started welding it. All right, you guys, I'm Horrible Harv.
TJ Trucker.
Out.